Hey guys, thanks for back. Luke's Vintage RC Car Restoration. As you can tell, we got into a project. What you're looking at is one of my favorite RC trucks. This is a 1989 Tamiya Mud Blaster. Super stoked to get this guy. Been waiting quite a while to get this one up and restored for you guys and for myself, of course. Probably about a year and a half. It's been sitting in the back. So now finally getting to it. This is kit number 58077 in Tamiya's lineup. Very cool history of these. This one does share some of its DNA, quite a bit of its DNA, with two RC models. That would be the Tamiya Super Brat and also the Tamiya Blackfoot. A lot of it with that one. So I have videos of both of those cars on my channel if you want to check that out. This is of the Blackfoot that it shares a lot of its DNA with. This one has upgrades since I did that video and stuff, but pretty much the chassis is about the same. It's pretty much the same thing. This one's just got really big tires now. So that was a lot of fun. Do check the videos out of those. They're hilarious. Also, we have some MCI reproduction decals for the truck. So we're going to be using these. They are really, really nice. MCI is a great company to get hard to find decals for your cars for. Also, we're going to be painting it banner red. And this is very close to an Italian red that Tamiya actually makes. I believe it's TS08. But this is going to be really close. I have it on hand, so we're just going to be using this one. It'll look good. Also, we're going to be installing some really cool upgrades. And that would be a Tamiya Sport Tune motor. So we're going to still 540 can type, but we're going to get rid of the tired 540 that's in here now. It's just basic 27 turn. So this is going to be a nice upgrade. Give it a little bit extra punch. Then we're going to be installing a Futaba standard 3003 servo. These are really good for just all around any purpose RC type thing you're going to be doing. And also installing the ESC inside. This is a vintage Futaba one that I've had for a while. I've been wanting to put it in something, and we're going to put it in this one because it's kind of got that 80s vibe to it. This is an MC112B. These are great, robust ESCs. So no MSC for this one. Also, I have on order some NOS drive shafts for this one. So we're going to still keep it the hex type drive type design. That's not the best in the world, and you do hear that clickety clacky noise, but it's not going to be driven so hard. It doesn't have a super powerful motor in it, but yeah. So we got the boots for those. They're on their way, so I can't wait to get that going. Then I have a servo guard that I'm going to be using on this one. Just happen to have it, so we're going to be using it. Also, we have the body parts, and the mounting hardware that's going to be used for the car. And yeah, I think it's going to look amazing. I got the little driver. I might add him, give him like a special little beard or something, just to change him up a little bit. So it's going to be super fun. I can't wait to get this one going. There's also a Tamiya Mud Blaster too. I wanted to let you guys know about that. A friend of mine has that one. It shares a little bit of its DNA with the Blackfoot Extremes. Well, pretty much a lot of it. And that's off the WT01 chassis. So you can definitely find some history of that one as well. That would come out later. So super stoked. Ball bearings are also going to be installed in this thing. So we got those here. Get rid of the bushings. So can't wait. Super stoked. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting me on my channel. Please hit a like, and I would love it for you to subscribe. I promise you're not going to want to miss this bad boy when it's all done up and running. That will be on the next video. So please stay tuned. Got a lot of cool stuff coming up and a lot more stuff coming up. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.